Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is a tub faucet. It's very similar to a lot of the other faucets that you can get. To take off the old faucet, mine was these cool crystal ones. Oops. They had this top on there, and I had to these little spots. I took a screwdriver and just popped this off, and then the screw comes out, and the screw attaches into the top here. This, when you pull this out, these grommets, washers, whatever, and springs come flying out. So one thing is that in mine there are two holes. Hang on here. One with like a silver lining and one you can kind of see like green. Same there, silver lining, green. You want first the spring to go down and then the black part over that. And you want the spring, it's like a pyramid kind of. You want the big end in the bottom and the little end pushing up to the top. And then your grommet has like a side with like a lip and then a side without a lip. And so you got your pyramid and you want to put it on top inside just like that. And if it's still leaking or something, you might have to get a new one of these. But you put that down inside of there, and then you push this back on top. So that works to replace them or whatever. Now